Hey YouTube. So, remember when I introduced Puppy to Trello? By the way, the puppy's name is Pepper. Well, this is how they get along now. I brought Trello in here, and I needed to do some work on my 3D printer over there, so I brought Trello in here to put him on his new play top that I made for him. And Trello, you goofy bird, and now Puppy, I think, is afraid of Trello. Okay. Pepper, yeah, maybe maybe you better leave, Trello. Or Pepper. Trello, what are you doing? You're supposed to be over there. You think you own the place. Well, guess what? You don't. You don't. You don't own the place. I own the place. You're a funny bird, Trello. No, don't chew up my blanket. All right. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep it squeaky. Hey, before I go, I wanted to let you guys know that these bird baths are now for sale. A lot of you have expressed interest in having one for your bird, and so they're now for sale, and you can find the link to them in the description. If you'd like to support our channel, please consider purchasing one for your bird. Until next time, keep it squeaky.